Hello everyone, for today's video, I'm going to cook chicken Hawaiian. It's very delicious. Subscribe, don't forget to post notification bell. First, we have to put salt, black pepper, and beef powder, the chicken, and also I put olive oil and stir fry, half cook the potato, and then we have to turn the potato. Stir fry the bell pepper like 30 seconds. To put aside. And then we have to turn the potato. So now we have to put aside, and then the chicken, we have to fry it until turn light brown to get rid of the smell and also blood. Thank you to all supporters, silent viewers, subscriber. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe and don't forget to post notification bell, so every time I upload my video, always updated. So I put the axis of the chicken and add a little bit of olive oil, and then onions chopped or slice, and the fresh garlic, 4 cloves of sliced garlic, and also 1 whole medium tomatoes. And then you have to simmer. Then add the chicken. So smell good. I add coconut milk. I use canned because we have no fresh. They have fresh, but we have no time. And also hot water. Add fish sauce or like 1 tablespoon, and also add potato. So simmer it until the chicken is soft. So it's tastes good, and also Himalayan salt little bit, and also chicken powder. Add pineapple chunk and also pineapple juice. And add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So we have to boil this until the chicken and potato soup, and also I add the leftover of coconut milk and string beans. As you can see, the string beans still frozen. So you have to try, guys. It's really delicious. So you have to mix it really good. So we have to simmer until the sauce a little bit gets sticky. And we have to add the bell pepper. So our food is look like ready to serve, and as soon as get stickier, subscribe, like, share if you like this video, and please don't skip the ads. Thank you so much for all your support. Our chicken Hawaiian is ready to serve with brown rice. So it's very tasty, guys. You have to try it. Thank you and God bless. Now we have to try it. So it tastes good.